toggle between any open application in Windows by doing Alt-Tab, and that will show all the different things that are open at the moment. But did you know you can also toggle just between Excel sheets, which is Control-Tab, and that will toggle between any open workbooks that you've got open. Control-Tab. I've pulled together this one-page cheat sheet of all the everyday essential Excel shortcuts. I'm giving this away today completely free. Just click on the link and I'll send you this straight away. Don't waste any more time in Excel. Get this free cheat sheet right now. Click the link.